We did a thing. We said we was gonna do it. We did what we said we was gonna do. And we're here. We are fucking here. I am so excited because your girl just moved across the country. I picked up all my things. I came from Detroit, originally from Saginaw, but I was living in Detroit. Packed all my shit, and I'm in LA. I moved into a 540 square foot studio apartment, and this is my first place alone ever. I've lived outside of home, but I've always had a roommate or roommates or my boyfriend. Like, I don't even know how to describe the feeling. Like, I'm still processing. I'm very fucking happy that I did what I said I was gonna do. And it was like my goal to do it before my birthday, which is November 15th, in Q4, and way before the snow hit, because I've been in Michigan all my life, but I don't care. I don't like snow. I don't do well with cold. I wanted to go. So every year I kept saying, this is my last winter here. And that was my last winter there. So we're in LA, y'all. This video right here is just going to be a semi-empty apartment tour. I do already have some things in here. It's a little ghetto still because obviously I don't have any big furniture. And let's just start. Let's just start. Okay, so we're gonna start at the very front of the apartment. Right behind me is the door to get into the apartment. So I'm gonna walk out and then walk y'all in, and we'll do like POV style, if that's what it is. So let's go. Okay, so this is what you see when you first walk in. Let me lock the door because I don't want anyone to run up in my shit. So we're gonna do that. So yeah, here's the front door. Little peephole if anyone, I don't know, miraculously makes their way up here. So right upon entry, when you come here, this is the laundry in unit, which I am super fucking excited about because I almost compromised on this, y'all. I almost went with a place that did not have in-unit laundry, and let me tell you, I would have been pissed. So washer, dryer, open this other door, is there. Boom, boom. And then this closet immediately to the right is like an entryway closet, some storage in there. I'm gonna show y'all because it is pretty spacious. I got random shit in there right now, so some cleaning supplies, 2 of the suitcases I had, and some other stuff down there. So real spacious. And then right behind is the entryway. What I plan to do here is to put a mirror here, entry console or whatever, just so you know I can put my keys and things. Wood floors, or maybe fake wood, I don't know, but I like it. And then I'm gonna pan this way, and this is the kitchen area. Can we say real nice? Like literally everything up to date. Nice appliances. I got this big ass fridge with all that freezer space, all this storage. For the first time in my life, I'm gonna have to get a step stool because these closets are closets. What are they? Storage cabinets. Goddamn, are really tall. I don't think I put anything in here, but like, what? Yeah. Okay. So appliances, and then you pan this way, and this is the view. So obviously, again, the kitchen area. Still have not put up my dishes. There's some in the washer or the dish dryer. What is this? Dishwasher. Oh my god, I'm slow today. Need to get a vase because flowers is dying. Can't have that. I finally got an espresso machine. I'm so excited to use that and make all my little, you know, cute TikToks. Okay, gonna pan this way. So this is going to be where I put like a really small dining table. That's actually it right there, still in the box. Gotta unbox and put that together. 2 seats, cool, maybe some art up there. And then you walk this way. I already have my IKEA hovered mirror because what I'm gonna do without that? I need that. Fit pics, all of that. Couch is on the way. That is gonna go over there. If it's not too crowded, I plan to put my desk over there, or a desk over there. And then here's my TV that is already hung up. Shout out to me because I had to help him hang that up. He almost dropped it, but you know, I got muscle, so that's that. I'll go over there in a minute, but this is the bathroom, which is also super spacious and big. This has like obviously the typical medicine cabinet, nice deep drawers and stuff down there. I love that I have counter space because in the apartment I was living in before, I did not. Like, it was so irritating. So I love that. More storage over there. I don't know what vibe I'm gonna go for in here. I'm thinking probably dark, moody, something real like tranquil, bring in tranquility, if you will. And then I love the shower. A tub was super important to me because I like to take baths. I like to sit in there, soak, you know, do all that, have my wine, relax, etc. And then you got 2 racks here to hang stuff up. Oh yeah, this light comes on too. Oh, hold on. Boom, there we go. So we could also have a little vibe like that. I'm gonna turn both those off because we got bills now. Okay, we're gonna come out. That's me. Hey, how? All right, we're gonna go into my room. That's not a room, but is a room. And I really love this because I was nervous about having a studio because they most of the time look like boxes, and I wanted some degree of separation. So this is my bed. My frame is on the way. I'm not gonna be on the floor. Actually, this might be the bed height. I ordered a frame from Soft Frame, so you probably saw that going viral on TikTok. I want to see what that was hitting for, so that's on the way. It's super spacious in here. Love the natural light. If I have space, I do plan to get a nightstand there. Oh, why did it go like that? Hold on. Back in focus. Okay, boom. This bedspread I got from Target is super comfortable. I'll be sleeping so good in here. My mattress is from Amazon, so I'll link all that when I do my like actual full furnished tour. We're gonna pan into the closet, which is a nice small little walk-in closet, but also so spacious. Like, these are really tall. I have literally nothing that tall, so I think right here I'm gonna put a dresser of some sort, so that way I can put like my underwear and undergarments in there. Anything that needs to be folded. Probably some shoe racks too to go over here, because right now everything is on the floor or in boxes still. So yeah, this is the closet. Love that. And then I'm gonna just pan back out. So I do have a very nice size patio out there, but I'm not gonna go out there for the sake of my safety and location, so we're gonna skip that. But it's really nice, and I do see palm trees from my view. Okay, focus. Okay, yeah, so that's it. That's all. I cannot wait to have this fully furnished. Follow me on TikTok because I'll have a lot of smaller videos or short form videos of unboxings of as things come in. My bed frame is coming soon from Soft Frame. My couch is coming, and it's a very cute cloud couch dupe, so I can't wait to have that. And yeah, I'm super blessed. I'm super happy to be here, and I can't wait to see the space transform and come to be exactly what I want it to be. Like, it's my own space, y'all. I'm like, I can't even put in words how fucking excited and blessed and grateful I am to be here in my dream city, like making my own space, making it mine. So if y'all think of anything you want to know, any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. Let me know what y'all want to see. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but yeah, thank you. Tune in next time. I'll be back soon. I'll be back real soon.